Hey guys, this is Wes and welcome to your 7th Java tutorial in the Java for Absolute Beginner series. Today we're going to cover control flow statements. Well, let me rephrase that. We're going to cover one of the many different types of control flow statements. So let me zoom in and we are going to delete all this real quick. And we are going to paste this. Okay, now let's get rid of this for now. Okay, there are two types of control flow statements. There are decision making and looping statements. As the title of this video suggests, we're going to cover the if statement, which is right here. By default, the flow of our program is top to bottom. However, we can alter this flow by utilizing control flow statements. So once it finds main, it normally executes like this, top to bottom. But with the use of control flow statements, we can manipulate that in different ways. I'm actually going to digress for a second and say I probably should have covered comparison operators prior to the making of this video. But if you have an education past like the 9th grade, they should be pretty self-explanatory, with the exception of and or operators. I will cover a few in the next few videos, especially in this one, but I will also make a video dedicated to comparison operators sometime in the near future. So let's actually get to coding. You're probably like, this dude needs to shut up, and I understand, so this will be easier. So we declared and initialized the variable, gave it a value of 47, which is an integer. We're going to say, this is the syntax for it. So if is a keyword, 2. A is equal to 47. This is going to use brackets and not semicolons. It is a type of method. It's a statement too. So let's do that. If A is equal to 47, we have to do the doubles. The difference between double equals and a single equals is the assignment operator. It gives A the value of 47. This actually checks to see if they're equal. It says, is A the same as 47? That's the main difference. So we will do system.out.println. We'll just print it out. We're going to make this tutorial simple. Else, same thing. We got to do this. Else, system.out.println. A does not equal 47. Okay. So let's run this real quick and then I'll show you how it works. Run. Okay, it printed 47. So what it did is it found main, it went down here, integer A equals 47. If A does in fact equal 47, print the variable A. If it does not equal 47, print does not equal 47. Good thing it equaled 47. So it printed 47 since A was in fact equal to 47. So line 21 tests the condition, and in the case if A is equal to 47, everything inside these curly brackets right here will be executed and subsequent else statements will be skipped. So if the expression in here is true, it prints out in here. If it is not true, it skips this and goes to else and prints that. Yeah, so that's how that works. We can change this up a little bit. We can do int a equals 46, and then we can do file, save, run. A does not equal 47. So check to see if A is equal to 47. It is in fact not equal to 47. It skipped everything inside the if brackets and it went to else and it printed that anyways. So let's use a few of the comparison operators, the ones that are self-explanatory at least. We'll do if A is greater than 47, print A, else we'll just keep that, even though it's probably going to be irrelevant. We'll just keep it anyways. Save, run. A does not equal 47. So A is not greater than 47 since it's 46. It skipped this and printed this. So we will put 49, file, save, run. It printed 49 since A is greater than 47. We can also do does not equal. Well, that's not an equal. If it does not equal 47, it will print that. So let me show you. Okay. So it printed A. If it does not equal 47, execute this line of code. And it didn't equal 47, so it printed out A. So that'll be it for this tutorial. We're going to cover all these decision-making statements in the next few tutorials, and we're also going to make a dedicated video to comparison operators sometime in the near future. So we're going to cover all this extensively. By the end of control flow statements, we're actually going to get into multiple classes and multiple methods, so you don't have to just stay in the main method, and it's going to get pretty cool. So yeah, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. See ya.